Is there a space in your home that you walk past every single day and think, I really need to clean that? Mine is here, my messy fridge. It's been driving me crazy. And also, the fingerprints and the smudges on the front stainless steel of the doors have been driving me crazy. So today I'm finally going to do something about it. Welcome back. Welcome if you're new here. My name is Mimi. On my little space here on the internet, I love to share home cleaning content to hopefully help motivate and inspire others to clean our spaces together. I'm usually in the routine of cleaning out the refrigerator every single Thursday because our trash goes out on Fridays. But life has just been extremely busy, and this is just one of those things that just kept getting put off. But I'm excited that I'm here today now taking care of it. So usually every single time that I've cleaned out the refrigerator, I would take the items per shelf. So I would start on one shelf, take the items off, put them on the island behind me. I would leave this bucket in the sink. I would wipe the shelf down, wipe off the bottom of all the items. But today I decided to bring the bucket over here. It's sitting on the floor behind me. And I brought this extra table over here behind me, and I thought that I could set all the items there and wipe everything out. But this approach to cleaning didn't out the refrigerator did not really work for me because it didn't seem like there was a whole lot of room. And then it seems like it's just easier for me to take the drawers to rinse them out, wash them out at the kitchen sink. How do you clean your refrigerator? Do you take every single thing out all at once and then wipe out the inside of the refrigerator, or do you like handle it shelf by shelf? So that was something sticky there. I'm just going to take this Dawn Power Wash and let it soak there. I have these rags that that has water on them that I wrung out, and then I'm just sitting it there while I go through and wipe off the items that go in that little refrigerator container.
Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the can.
So here I let that wet rag sit there on top of that cookie stuff that was in that drawer, and it came off very well.
We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be two hearts running wild. Now the morning is the afternoon. We lay awake in bed. The laughs so loud as the hours pass. We're gonna do it all again. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be, we're gonna be two hearts running wild. The moonlight, summer sky, it was the best we ever had. And we'll stay young forever. We'll never have regrets. We wanna chase the
These empty egg shells, we use those to put in our garden. We mash them up or smash them up, and we just sprinkle them in each one of the garden beds.
top. We're gonna be two hearts running wild. We're gonna.
These are some fridge liners right here, and they don't work very well in here. I've had them in there for a few years, and the corners just bend up. They slide all over the place, so I'm not going to put those back, the fridge liners back in there on the shelves. If you use fridge liners on your shelves, what do you use? I would love to know in the comments. I just always take a dry paper towel and wipe out the bottom of the refrigerator because sometimes dust and crumbs get down there, and I just like to wipe it off with a paper towel before I take my wet cloth and wipe it out.
I never really know what's going on. Look at me sometimes like all you want to do is run. Hear me out, hear me out. It's all the things you never show. There are the things I want to know. Secrets start in your heart so slow. But if you don't wanna tell me now, I guess I'll never know. Losing almost all my energy. It's getting hard to talk to you, and I'm the only one who speaks. It's all the things you never show. There are the things I want to know. Secrets start in your heart so slow. But if you don't wanna tell me now, I guess I'll never know. Here we go, turning all the wrongs into rights. Here we go, you could take me there tonight. Whoa, this life is all we know. Whoa, I can't stay if you can't let it go. I never really know what's going on. And even when you're next to me, I feel like you were gone. It's all the things you never show. There are the things I want to know. Secrets start in your heart so slow. But if you don't wanna tell me now, I guess I'll never know. But if you don't wanna tell me now, I guess I'll never know.
So for years, I've just used parchment paper or wax paper to place in the bottom of the cubbies that go in the door of the refrigerator. I do not switch the pieces of parchment paper out every week, but I'll just do it occasionally when I feel like they're getting too scrunched up or there's something on them, on the little pieces of parchment paper. But here again, maybe if I can figure out some type of liner that actually sticks and stays still, I could possibly switch using the parchment paper to some type of fridge liner. So I had to take this little cubby out again because I realized that I had not placed the parchment paper on the bottom. So as I mentioned earlier, not only was the inside of the refrigerator driving me crazy, but the front doors to the refrigerator were also driving me crazy with the smudges and the smears and it looks like food grime. And so I usually on a daily basis will wipe it down with a dish rag that usually has Dawn dish soap and water, but also it leaves streaks. So if you own stainless steel, you know what that's about. So my husband suggested this little hack of using Johnson's baby oil. So I just use, as if I can get this open, I will put some here on a paper cloth or paper towel and just kind of go in circular motion and shine it up. So this is the hack that has worked for me for years and I love it. If you own stainless steel appliances, how do you keep them shiny? So here is what the stainless steel looks like after applying the baby oil. And also this is just an overview of what was accomplished today in cleaning out my refrigerator. Thank you so much for joining me today. I feel very accomplished getting this refrigerator deep cleaned and also on the outside of the stainless steel. I hope that I was some sort of motivation or inspiration for you to tackle an area in your home. I will be back next week with another kitchen cleaning video, and I would love to have you come back to hang out with me. If you would like also to hit the like and subscribe button. In the meantime, I hope that you have a wonderfully blessed week.